Second graders, welcome to our test review. All right, so this is in preparation for your science tests, which will be coming up. So I figured we could do a game of fake Jeopardy. Okay, so you're watching this video, so it's a little different than if we had different teams. There's just going to be one team, your team, Kenny the Shark, it looks like. So I'm just going to choose questions and categories at random. And I'm going to read the question. Now, I'm going to turn off the music. Now, because you're watching this, you can pause on your own if you get class needs a little more time to answer or to respond, or you could just listen to this. I would kind of encourage you to make this a game. So I'll ask the question. You can pause it when you're ready to answer. You can press resume and you can see what the answer will be. And we will go from there. All right, so again, this is a review for your balance and motion test, which is coming up next week. I'm going to choose a category, then read you the question. Then you can pause this, see if you know the answer out loud, and then resume it, and the answer will come up. All right, so let's go with vocabulary for 300. When an object is moving from one place to another, we say that it is in what? What is the term for when an object is moving from one place to another? It is in motion. Motion. Well done, everybody. Great job, Kenny. All right, let's go to motion for 100. What force is needed to make this top spin? Remember, a force that is needed to make a top spin, you will need to use torque. Torque is the force that is needed to make objects spin. Let's stay in motion. Let's go motion 300. Which top will spin better than the other? Why? Look at these two tops. What do you notice is different about them? Which one will spin better? I hope you said the green shaft or the smaller one because it has a lower center of gravity. Great job, Kenny. You're doing a great job. Mr. Bergen, let's go to balance 100. Oh, I thought you would never take us there. Well, let's go. What did you have to do to get your pencil to balance on its point? Think back to that investigation. What did you have to do? You had to add counterweights in order to get it to balance because you could not find and get it to balance in its center of gravity, so you had to add counterweights, which changes the center of gravity. Kenny, you're crushing it right now. Let's go to vocabulary 500. Ooh. This is the point where the weight is even on all sides. The point where the weight is even on all sides. What do you think? Center of gravity. Next, let's go with balance 300. Do all objects have the same center of gravity? What do you think, Kenny? I'm going to say no. All objects' center of gravity will be different. Let's go motion 200, Kenny. All right. Look at the two wheels. What will happen when this wheel and axle is in motion? What will happen when this wheel and axle is in motion? Hopefully you said that it will start to turn in the direction of the smaller wheel. It will start to curve towards the side that the smaller wheel is on. All right, let's do vocabulary 100. What can you add to change the center of gravity of an object? By adding this, you will change the center of gravity. It is a counterweight. Counterweights will change the center of gravity of an object. How about balance 400? How old was Mr. Berglund when he lost his last baby tooth? Anyone? How old was I? It will shock you. 20 years old. I was very, very old. I was in college when I lost my last baby tooth. Fun fact. All right, let's do motion 400. What did you have to do to get your zoomers to spin? You have to spin the string around and around and then pull on both ends of the string. When you pull on the string, you are applying torque, which causes the zoomer to spin or rotate. Vocabulary 400. When an object is in a stable position, it is what? When an object is in a stable position, it is what? Balanced. It will be balanced. If you blow on it, it won't tip over. It may wobble back and forth, but it will not fall over. Let's do balance 200. How can you tell if an object is unstable or not balanced? We were just talking about this. What can you do to tell if an object is unstable or not balanced? It will fall over. That's how you can tell if it's unbalanced. And the last question, vocabulary 200. A twisting force that causes an object to spin. What is a twisting force that causes an object to spin? Well, friends, that is called torque. Wonderful. Great job. So we are the winner. Kenny is the winner. So friends, I hope this was a great review for you. You can always go back and watch this. This will be on Seesaw for all of you to watch. Hope this was helpful. Again, watch this, pause it, think if you can answer the question, and then move on to the next question. Okay, kiddos, good luck. Your test will be next week. Remember, please review. There's a study guide on it. Use your journals, whatever you need to study. I believe in you. Good luck, kiddos. Have a great rest of your week.